Hello everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received this LED wall light for reviewing purposes. Let me take it out and let's see what comes inside, okay? And I think that it's nice because it's a motion detection and dust down outdoor lamp that I think that's gonna be really nice. This is the main unit that you can see the light comes out of here, and in here we have the motion sensor, okay? We can set it up for a distance of motion detection from 3 meters up to 8 meters, and we can set it up with time. It will be turned on just 1 minute, 5 minutes, or dusk to dawn, which I think that it's really nice. We have all the wires that we are going to use for the installation process. We also get a screwdriver, which I think that it's great. We get the instruction manuals, the page that we are going to use for the proper installation. We get all the hardware that we are going to need for this installation, which I think that it's great that it comes included. Subset the manual, screwdriver, and this template, so where we're gonna place the screws, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. The proper installation process of this lamp is actually really simple, and as I've said, you get everything in the box that you are gonna need to do this, which I think that it's nice. You just have to make the holes where you're gonna place the lamp, make sure that it's level, and then just place all the proper screws and place the main unit, which I think that it makes it really simple, so anyone can install it anywhere that you need it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and it detected that I was moving, so I think that it's great. That way you can set it up for the detection up to 8 meters and it will detect what you are passing through or going anywhere that you need it, which I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it stops detecting me. Right now I'm just below it and it will turn off, which I think that is great. So let's wait, and I'm gonna set it up for it to be dusk dawn. So let's go ahead and wait till it gets dark. Okay, come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's already nighttime and it already turned off, and I think it's perfect to place it wherever you need it. You can set it up in your entrance of your garage, your your doorway, anywhere that you need it. I think that it's really nice. I like it because it has, as I've said, motion detection system in the automatic on and off from the daylight, so it's really nice. You can use it wherever you need it, as it is waterproof rated, perfect for outdoors and overall because it's really nice. It's simple to install it, and it has some advantage like the motion detection mode, which I think that is great, that I will really recommend it. See you guys.